Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix a common issue where your laptop SSD does not appear during a Windows 11 installation. If you are seeing an error like this one on the screen, Windows 11 cannot install a disk 0 version 1, don't worry, I'll walk you through the step by step to get your SSD detected and your installation back on track. So let's get started. From this error page where I'm stuck, the first thing I'm going to do is to close the window. It will ask me if I want to exit. I will click yes. The laptop will restart itself. The next step is to enter into the BIOS. When the Dell logo appears, I'm going to repeatedly press the F2 key on the keyboard. This will take me into the BIOS. Once I'm in the BIOS, I will go into the storage section. I will click on the storage section. Here you can see that the operating mode of the integrated storage is set to RAD on. So the next step is I will change these settings to AHCI NVMe mode. It will prompt me asking if I want to change the SATA NVMe operation. I will click yes. Next, I will apply the changes. Then press OK to save the changes and exit the BIOS. The laptop will restart again. The next step is to boot from the USB. When the Dell logo appears this time, I'm going to press F12 key multiple times. This will bring up the boot menu. From the boot option, I will select boot from USB. Note, I've already created a bootable USB with Windows 11. If you want to learn how to create a bootable USB, you can check out my other video on this channel. So it will take some few minutes to start the Windows 11 setup. Now it takes me back to Windows 11 installation page. Here I can click next, then accept that everything is going to be deleted, then wait for some seconds, then select accept the license terms and click next again. Now I can see the SSD as showing right now. In my case, I have two SSD in this laptop. I'm going to delete the existing partitions on the SSD where I wanted to install the Windows 11 so I can remove anything inside it and start fresh. It is important to note that you will also see your USB bootable drive here. Mine is ESD USB A, as you can see, and it's a bootable USB drive, so I am not going to touch or delete that. After deleting the old partitions, I will select the SSD where I wanted to install the Windows 11, then click next. Now the Windows 11 will start installing and the rest of the process will continue automatically. And that's it. Windows 11 is now installing on the SSD and the rest of the setup will finish on its own. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss out future tutorial. I have got more videos coming on laptop repair, PC and some other cool technologies. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.